Saly. Hey. Hello. Wow. Okay. Hey. Hi. Hello. Oh. Hey, Saly. Goed zo. Oké. Wow. A beautiful fall. Surprise. Goed zo, Saly. Hey. Goed zo. Oh, oh. Okay, there's the afterbird. That's perfect. Okay. Hey. Oh, oh. Oh, this is dangerous for me. It's so sunny. I don't know what to say. Hey. Good morning. There's a foal. I'm surprised because yesterday she was changing, and yesterday I thought, shall I use the bird alarm or not? Oh. And I thought, no, not yet. Maybe tomorrow. But I don't have to use it. Hey, Saly. Goed zo. Braaf, ja. Okay. Goedzo Saly. Hey. Love. Well, and last night I was awake, and it was, I think, oh, I still don't know if it's a filly or a colt. I have to check. Wait a minute. Oh, too late. But I think, oh, and it's drinking, nursing. But I think, well, 4 hours ago, I was awake. So I watched on the camera. I can't see it. But I was awake, I watched on the camera, and I didn't see anything. Hey, hello. Oh, a colt. I don't see it. I think a colt. No, stay there. Yes, a colt. Yes, now I see. That's his belly button. And behind is man thing. But 4 hours ago, Sally was just standing asleep. So I thought, oh, there's nothing going on. And now there's a foal, of course. Well, I clean afterbird. And, well, I think he has to poop. Hey, and it's not coming out. So that's what I. Oh, there it is. That's perfect. Yes. Good so. He's already dry. Sally is such a good mom. I gave some hay there, so she don't have to put her head outside and can't see the foal anymore. This way she can eat and watch at her foal. Yeah, Saly, I know the feeling. Yes, it's a colt. Also, that's working. Hey. Okay, yesterday I said to Bauke, I really don't know if I have to use it, the bird alarm, or not yet. And I thought, well, oh wow, he's beautiful. I thought, well, it's. Hey! It's not that much changing. So I thought, well, maybe tomorrow. And on the other side, I said, I want to film it because I want to share it with you all. And now I don't have a lot of videos. I only have this video. And otherwise, I always share the bird and when it's going to stand and when it's going to nurse and poop and. But YouTube has a lot of rules. YouTube don't want me to share anything with blood. So I can't share the nature when it's coming out. YouTube don't like it. So maybe this is better for YouTube. Okay, when I put in some extra straw, there he goes to lie down. I think it's a funny foal. But I don't have a name yet. Oh, he's cute. I think... Hello, Sally? I think when I post this video I have a name. But not yet. Goedzo Saly. Braaf Saly. Hey Rijntje, what do you think about it? Hey. She just wants to eat. Normally I come in the stable at this time, maybe a little later, and then I give them pellets. Hey Boukje. And Blomke, you have a little brother. Hey. Lille. Sally. And the colt. Yfke. Hey. En Reisie. Hey. Spidey. Dandy. Daisy. And Peach. Hey.